Now you're wondering, what can you do with it? Can you actually use it to buy that sweet new gaming rig or those concert tickets you've been eyeing? Well, the answer depends on where you're holding your Bitcoin. In this video, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple Crypto, a popular platform in Canada for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Specifically, we're tackling the question, can you send Bitcoin out of Wealthsimple and into your own wallet, or is it locked away in some digital vault? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. For those crypto newbies out there, understanding the difference between a custodial and a non-custodial wallet is crucial. Imagine your Bitcoin is like a fancy sports car. With a custodial wallet, it's like leaving your car at a valet service. They keep it safe and secure, but you can't just zoom off whenever you want. Wealthsimple Crypto acts as a custodian. They hold onto your Bitcoin for you. On the other hand, a non-custodial wallet is like having your own garage. You have complete control over your Bitcoin, but you're also responsible for its security. There's more risk involved, but the freedom is unmatched. Alright, back to Wealthsimple. So, can we be free-roaming Bitcoin cowboys with our Wealthsimple holdings? The good news is yes, Wealthsimple actually allows you to withdraw your Bitcoin to an external wallet. This means you have the flexibility to move your crypto around, potentially to trade on other platforms, or simply to hold it in your own secure digital garage. Here's the catch, Wealthsimple isn't exactly handing out the keys to your Bitcoin vault with reckless abandon. There are a few things to keep in mind before you initiate a transfer. First, you'll need to have your external wallet set up and ready to go. This means having a secure wallet app or using a hardware wallet, a physical device that stores your crypto offline, offering the highest level of security. Second, be prepared for a little verification love from Wealthsimple. They might require some additional steps to confirm it's really you trying to move your Bitcoin. This could involve a selfie verification or some other security measure. Lastly, there are fees involved. Wealthsimple charges a flat withdrawal fee for each crypto you transfer out. These fees can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency, so make sure to factor that into your transfer calculations. Now, we won't sugarcoat it. The process of transferring Bitcoin out of Wealthsimple isn't exactly a one-click breeze. It takes a little more effort compared to buying and selling within the platform. But hey, if you're serious about taking control of your crypto, understanding how to make these transfers is a valuable skill. So, there you have it. You can indeed send your Bitcoin out of Wealthsimple and into your own wallet, giving you more control over your cryptocurrency holdings. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you understand the security risks involved in managing your own non-custodial wallet before you make the switch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.